remarkable lyric on personal passion, written some time after his brother's Tom's death of consumption in 1st December 1818. The poem finds poet uneasy with premature death of his brother, where youth grows pale and spectra thin and dies. More importantly, one may also note an element of bitterness and self-pity, for at that time Keats was very much plagued by the harsh criticism of his poetry. So it is one of the most important question. It may be. Another important question: what is meant by blastful hypocrine? What is meant by blastful hypocrine? As the poetic persona in Ode to a Nightingale wants to reach the world of the nightingale, he decides to rescue to wine. And here, Hippocrene is the name of a fountain on Mount Helicon in Boeotia, which is scared to the Muses and whose waters were believed to bring about poetic inspiration. Comparing the red wine with the water of fountain, Keats wants to drink so as to be divinely inspired. So here one question may be important: what is Hippocrene? What is Hippocrene and why it is called blastful? Here, Hippocrene is the name of a fountain on Mount Helicon. Mount Helicon in Boeotia, which is scared to the Muses and whose waters were believed to bring about poetic inspiration. So you have to read very minutely the inner meaning, the inner significance, what the poet wants to reveal, what the poet wants to convey, wants to express through his poetry. You have to read it minutely, and if you follow this process, this will help you to write every question, whatever the question may be, through university in your final examination. With this, one more important question: why does the poet want to fade away? The poet explains his desire to fade away, saying that he would like to forget the troubles the nightingale has ever known, the weariness, the fever, the freight of human life, with its consciousness that everything is mortal and nothing lasts. One more important question may be: my heart aches. My heart aches. my heart aches here. Why does the poet say my heart aches? If this question will come, you have to write the heart of the poetic persona in Ode to a Nightingale aches on listening to the song of the nightingale, the imaginative bird. He does not envy the bird, but is too happy, which creates an acute sensation of pain leading to heartache. In such a way, you have to read, you have to know the various points. And if we follow these points, your examination, your question answer quality will be very good, in my opinion. There may be, look at the matter, there may be one more important question. Is there any personal strain evident in the poem? Here, Keats' Ode to a Nightingale has been universally accepted as a remarkable lyric on personal passion. And it was written some time after his brother's prompt death of consumption in 1st December 1818. The poem finds the poet uneasy with death, where youth grows pale and spectra thin and dies. More importantly, one may also note an element of bitterness and self-pity, for at that time Keats was very much plagued by harsh criticism of his poetry. This is one of the most important question. If we follow Ode to a Nightingale, you have to observe this type of question, which is related to inner meaning, of poetry. One question may be important: who is Bacchus and why does Keats refer to him? Using Roman mythology, Keats refers to the Bacchus, the Roman god of wine, who is traditionally shown in a chariot drawn by leopards. Previously, the poet had expressed his wish to fly away with the nightingale, but now, for the right time, he makes it clear that it would, without the influence of alcohol, he want take rescue to poetry. So in such a way, if you follow the guidelines, if you follow the continuous assistantship which is being given to college group, which is being given to our computer section, our computer expert Sri Deepak Rana, he will assist you by giving you the assistantship what we all the teachers in online are giving you. Our every teachers of Degree College Nala is giving you the suggestion, giving you the process. You please follow this process which is being given to you continuously through college group. How you have to write, what is the main theme of any poetry. If we know the main theme of a poetry, you can write very nicely. So thank you very much. Thank you very much to everyone. Thank you.